Hi, I'm Jeff. Thanks for joining. We've got some pretty cool features to show you in this customer onboarding and KYC solution. We have included different business processes in a combined process flow, showing all the relevant interactions with our customers. In front of you is an automatically generated process flow based on system event data. However, this isn't a single standalone process. It covers customer onboarding, regular KYC reviews, work to follow up on suspicious transactions, and applications for a home loan or a personal loan. By using different colors, it's easy to distinguish the different processes and to see where processes are executed simultaneously and might impact each other. We use these flows to analyze processes individually, but also to identify patterns across processes that might indicate delays due to dependencies. Let me give you some examples. Like in our other solutions, we have numbers at the top providing insights into the data population. We currently have 925 active customers, we lost 55 customers, and followed up on 531 suspicious transactions. We also have various filters that can be used to select what is to be shown. Any filters applied will work throughout the dashboards, and these are shown at the top. I can filter for country Australia, which shows me 179 active customers. Yes, this is a demo dataset, and these numbers might not reflect your processes, but it provides the type of insights that can easily be gained from such a solution. Specifically in the onboarding process, many of our clients struggle with delays caused by manual intervention. Let me increase the process variance and change the numbers to time in hours. What you see now is that when address verification is performed manually, it takes on average 28 hours, while automated verification is almost instantly. Now I might be interested to see where the perform customer risk assessment step was missed. I select the event and go for exclude. This shows me we had one customer where the risk assessment step was not recorded. Through the Case Details tab, I can see this was for customer Daniel Stanley. I can easily see what has happened and who were involved in the process by going to the Event tab. It looks like the risk assessment should have occurred between 20 and the 27th of December. As Jane assigned the risk category, I'll follow up with her to find out what happened. Let me remove the filter and jump back to the process flow to have a look at another scenario. Let's find out where customer acceptance happened before the sanctioned party list and the politically exposed person checks. I select the dynamic event selector and then choose Edge for filtering event combinations. I select customer acceptance followed by sanctioned party screening. Now, it doesn't need to be directly followed by, but at any time followed by. This shows us 4 customers. Again, we can see who these customers are and who were involved in the onboarding process for these customers. While these selections through the process flows are awesome for insight and root cause analysis, more traditional analytics and visualization are helpful for direct insights into key areas of interest. The customer dashboard provides insights into our customers. I remove the filters to get a complete view. From here I can make any selections, such as type of account, age, country, or occupation. This really depends what is available from your data. All graphs are dynamic. For example, I can select the Canadian teachers and go back to the process flows to see what is happening. Key performance indicators can be set and measured as shown in the onboarding KPI dashboard. I can also directly filter for KPIs. For example, where the total onboarding process took more than 15 days. All these KPIs and visualizations are completely flexible and can be configured to your needs. As shown, our solutions help improve compliance, process efficiency, and customer satisfaction. And this was just a quick demo. There is a lot more functionality and insight we can cover. The power is full process transparency, which will support you with the right decisions. We enable live data feeds for real-time visibility, predictive insights, and automatic alerts to timely intervene. You receive the support for your team to get the most out the solution and to realize the best improvements in your customer processes. When interested, I invite you to schedule a 30 minutes call to discuss your ambitions, existing capabilities, and how we can best work together.